Hit it while it's hot. The DudeMungus 3000.
The market.
Whew. Dude and Dudette, say what up. It's your boy DudeMungus, man. I'm excited and nervous today at the same time, but I always like to show you guys. Some of you guys always ask about my camera setup, so this is my license plate. It is literally on the GoPro mount. Shout out to Megatron for getting this right for me. It's literally a GoPro mount. Pop it in, and then pop in the 360 and we're done. That's literally how I run the setup, man. I know it seems weird, but that thing is like freaking great. Today we are testing out a new microphone, and I'm also wearing my Scorpion XO R1 helmet. I've had this helmet for a while. I have the Fabio Quartararo edition. Love this helmet. It is probably the most comfortable helmet that's ever been on my head, but for vlogging, it has been an epic fail for vlogging. But since I have this new setup, we're gonna try it with the new setup and see if that helps at all. But also inside of the new, dude, this is a bunch of new stuff. Inside of the new setup, I'm also trying a new microphone. With the Smart Live Plus, to get it to work, you have to use an adapter piece to get it to work. To switch it, because it can't have the 3 black lines, it has to have the 2 black lines, and I know y'all hear me say that all the time. But this mic is the Rode. With this mic, it's you don't need that adapter piece, so it makes it one less connection. My whole theory is one less connection, one less thing to go wrong. Let's go and get this start going. If there's ever been a Scrumdiddily of Scrumdiddily, this is it. Oh, I love this bike, man. This bike never ceases to amaze me. Over 28,000 miles and going strong, man. Going so strong, it made freaking Eve think that made Eve think that I had a different mode up on this bad boy, which was funny. Now that's saying something. When somebody might think you got a motor swap and you really don't, that's saying something. But anyway, man, we heading over to Caffeine Octane. We're going to meet Rocket Taxi over there. I really hope this audio is coming through. And I told myself, whether it goes good or bad, I'm putting it up. So you guys, either this is going to be a fail or it's going to be real good, and you guys are going to see it firsthand. Yeah, it might have been quicker to take the expressway. Well, I guess we're on the way now. We're going to see what happens, man. Okay, also, this is a real simple setup. I'm not running my power bank today because I just don't feel like I'm going to be doing a lot. I am about to show you guys how the GoPro remote will work. My 360 cam is hooked up. I really hope this audio is coming through. So my 360 cam is hooked up, but the camera isn't on and the battery isn't on. So we're gonna see how this works in real time. I'm sorry if there's a dead spot. If it's too dead, I'll speed it up and I'll try to remember how many seconds it took to do that. So at the top, I'm just gonna cut it on. Probably shouldn't be doing this at a light. I know it's hard to see, but it's asking me, do I want to connect to my max? I'm gonna hit the button and it's gonna turn the max on. The max is on right now. I don't know how many seconds that took. That might have took, I don't know, 5-10 seconds maybe. So if you know you're gonna need it, you know, just I always say watch yourself like 15-20 seconds, and dude, you'll be perfectly fine. That was actually pretty dope. That was literally my that was my first time using it. That was my first time using the turn it on from being off feature. Hey yo, this was up. The aerodynamics on this Scorpion helmet is crazy. Like, it's super aerodynamic. I mean, extremely aerodynamic. I mean, it feels great. This is, I probably, out of all of my helmets, this one probably cuts through the wind the best. Like, holy crap, dude, this is a good helmet. I just don't know how it's gonna work for vlogging. That's really my only gripe with the bike, is if I can get it for vlogging. But the cheek pad system it has to pump up the cheeks, I normally do like 3 or 4 pumps. And it fits me perfect. And then if you need to release, it's a release button. It literally reminds you, it's gonna tell how old school I am, but the Reebok pump shoes, basketball shoes I used to have, it works very similar to those. Rocket. What's up, boy? You alright, man? Good. What's going on, man? How you doing? Good.
Dude, that's a really cool wrap.
Hey, man, appreciate it, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. Atlanta Custom Wraps did it for me, man.
Yeah?
They hooked me up, yeah.
I don't know a lot about Ducatis.
Yeah.
But it was really nice, too.
This is my first one, man, and dude, I'm enjoying the experience, man. It's fun. What's up, man? How you doing? Good. Yep, good worse.
Yeah, man, we got the whole spread today. We got the freaking cruisers,
Right.
street bikes, street racing bikes, and then we got the dirt bikes.
Dirt bikes, you got everything today.
Dude, it's awesome.
Cool, that's what's up, man.
Yeah, we're glad you guys came out. It's gonna be a beautiful day. For
Yeah,
you.
dude, I was finally, this weather's changing, man, so I was like, yes.
They ain't gonna be looking at me. Dude and Dudette, say what up, it's your boy DudeMungus. We're gonna try this again, man. Last time I tried filming with my 360 cam at the car show in Charlotte, it freaking froze on me, but we're gonna see if it works today. But yeah, we're at Caffeine Octane. We came out, it's the second Sunday, because the first Sunday of April, of course, was Easter. Happy Resurrection Sunday, everybody. But yeah, so we're gonna just walk around the show, see what we can catch. We got my boy Rocket Taxi with me today. He's on the Scrumdiddily, the only one that I know of, 60th anniversary, that's set up for roll racing. I mean, I don't know if there's another one out there, especially with the carbon wheels. Like, bro, there's not. You see Deadshot doing what Deadshot does. So yeah, man, we just gonna walk around, see what we can catch on camera, and you know what it is. Keep rocking with your boy. One shot, Deadshot. DudeMungus.
DudeMungus.
Also,
Everybody, good morning.
hey, what it do? You know who it is. Shout out, Law Tigers. Always hooking your boy up with some good parking.
Caffeine and Octane this morning. One of the biggest,
The Survivor Continental.
What you got over here?
Look at the radiator overflow.
we've got tour guides.
That's hilarious.
Let's see what we got.
Survivor, look at the radiator overflow.
Ha, that's awesome. Come on, here.
It's like this. Perfect.
Heck yeah. It's always something good at the show, man. Always. Maserati.
Looks like one of those, what's that? Jalpa or something?
Dude, time out. Look at this. I mean, I can't discount whatever this yellow goodness is over here.
That looks like a 350 Ferrari.
Holy crap, that looks good.
Yeah.
That's a photo. I gotta pull out the phone on that one. Hey, man. Hey, how about that? Dude, that looks wide as heck, bro. This thing is sick.
Because that's my daily. You know, I bring the baby.
Oh, and you daily it?
Yeah, that's my daily.
Dude, nice. I seen something in the grill, man. What you working with in there?
Turbo 6.
Woo!
Yeah, it's got Turbo 6.
Gotcha.
It's like it's supposed to have a
Like
Turbo
it's,
6.
yeah, straight six. Is it straight six?
It's a different kind of 6.
Okay. I ain't gonna get in your business too deep.
They got other kind of 6-cylinder turbos.
Gotcha.
This one's not. This is a 1-of-1.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, all right, man.
We Japanese and American with our clothing company.
Gotcha. Okay.
This is a Japanese car that might have something American in it.
Aha!
American car that might have something Japanese in it.
Oh.
Turbo 6.
Okay. Hey, let's take a picture of this first. But my man ain't playing no games, bro. My man, but do that or something. When you see meat like this, bro, when you see meat like this, you know, bro, you might not want to mess with them. I got you.
Wow, how far does this go?
Jack, be quick. Got somebody for you, bro.
that 722 before the spray?
607 before the spray. 722 with the spray.
Nice. I was walking by my FDs. Everyone knows I love FDs, man. Dude, I want one of these so bad. Like, oh my god.
Did you see that truck I sent you the video of? The Mazda truck?
No.
And I said,
Oh yeah, and it was Cameron or something. Oh dude, that was sick, man. And you know what I forgot to say, because I don't even know if it was in there. And I got my mask on, so sorry if I sound muffled. But you see me in my Hey Dario shirt. Hey man, y'all go holler at my boy, Hey Dario Moto. Actually, I'm gonna leave his link in the description. Click on it, subscribe to his channel. My boy got a website too, so go and get you something, hook yourself up. You got flip-flops, masks, shirts, some of everything, man.
That's it. I'm gonna do another.
My guy.
My guy, what up?
What's up, boy? You alright?
over here. I was waiting. Where's Rocket at?
He's right there, right up front.
Okay.
He's walking right over there.
Must be more people.
See one right there. What y'all up to today, man?
No, man, just I was coming over here.
Yeah.
See what y'all. You didn't even tell me you're over here.
Dude, yeah. What's going on, fellas? You doing all right, Mungus? What's going on? 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 Good, good. Woo! Man, got the whole squad up in here. The R6. I want one of these to be my track bike so bad. Now this is sick, bro. I can't even lie. Y'all know I like stuff that stand out. That is dope. I'm digging it. Woo! That's a clean. I don't think I've ever seen that color scheme.
market. The market. Thank you for watching, dudes. The market.
Spin a little dippy down.